Okay, hi guys. This is my first video. This is um this is gonna be about pressing. I just started because I'm in in a little funk and stuff, and I got like over 1,000. I think I got like maybe like 4 or 5,000 comics that I've been collecting um since I was a kid, and I never thought about selling comics or whatever. And so so what it is, I've been having these I'm 51 years old right now, and I'm going through some rough times right now. So I said, I've been looking up in comics and stuff like that, and so I was like, wait, I got like 4 or 5,000 comics. I could check them, and I could get out of this funk and whatever, and get the things that I need or whatever. So I started studying and stuff like that, and I was like, oh shit, really? Comics are worth money. Okay. So did the whole CG things, CGC and CBCS and all that other stuff, and started getting into YouTube, reading on cleaning and stuff like that. So I was like, fuck it, let me give it a try. So this is my first time. I bought a presser and everything. This is it right here. So this is my little setup for now, because I'm just starting. I got no room like on my clothes. So all my NFL jerseys, baseball, basketball jerseys, and all that stuff. Hats like crazy and everything, and yeah. Tires. So this is a room that I have in my house, sneakers and all that stuff with my tools. Yeah, it's a mess. It's a big mess. So I started setting it up and stuff like that, and see, to help me with my financial and stuff like that. So this is it. This is gonna be my first time. I got comics here that people have given me, family, stuff like that, but they all messed up and everything. These are probably the ones that I'm gonna use to start learning how to clean comics, and with the peroxide and all this crap and everything. And I even got, you'd be surprised, stuff like this. This is what I use to clean my sole of my sneakers white, to make them white. So you never know. So I'm gonna do like experiments and shit. I bought all the little tools that people buy, like erasers and stuff like that. Even the backboards. I always buy backboards for my comics. I love my comics. That's why I never thought that I was gonna sell them, because I'm a type of person that I buy comics and it's for me. I started buying comics. My first comic that I ever bought was Micronauts, #1. 1979, and I love that comic. That comic is what got me started doing everything. I have it somewhere. It's in one of the boxes and everything. I think I have 2 of them now, because I bought another one on eBay. And I see it's going up. I see the prices. I got into the the websites about values of comics and stuff like that, and the Micronauts is going up, and I'm like, oh shit. But the problem that I have is that, like I said, I don't like selling comics. I love my comics. I read them and everything, and I'm a big fan of Marvel. I'm not a DC too much guy, but Marvel, yeah, I love Marvel. So so since I love my Marvel, it's gonna be hard for me to see them, like, even if I put them on eBay or whatever, because I do have an eBay account, because I do sell certain stuff that I don't use no more. So it's gonna be hard for me to let comics go. Let's just put it like that. It's like sentimental value to me and stuff like that. and it's gonna be real hard. So I got my press, and here we go. I got these papers and everything I bought from eBay and stuff that you need, that I've been seeing from YouTube. There's certain stuff that I noticed that is the same shit as what people that press comics use. Like, for instance, this paper here. This is the same shit that, okay, I live in Puerto Rico, okay? This paper here is the same shit that we use to cook pasteles. And people on YouTube, I've seen them putting that paper, and I'm like, wait up, that's the same paper that we use over here in Puerto Rico to do pasteles. I'm like, what the fuck? I already got those. I don't have to buy that. So there was things here that I have that I didn't have to buy, that I already had, because the family they do pasteles over here in Puerto Rico. So I was like, wait up, this is the same fucking paper as you use for the air fryer and everything. That's the paper that people was using. So I was like, I already got that. So there's a lot of things here that I already have. So I put it in here. And that's simple. Now, with the people that I've seen that they use the to humid the comics and everything, like I said, I live in Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico's humid. I don't need to do the humidifier or whatever that people use to make their comics softer and stuff like that. In Puerto Rico, in the room alone, it gets humid. I could show you, for instance, these are Nikes, Kobe's. On eBay, they're worth like $300, $600. Look what happened. It's so humid here that the soles came off. You see? And I don't even hardly use these sneakers, and I just one day walked and it started flapping. So I was like, what the fuck? So one day I'll probably put them together and then I'll sell them on eBay and shit like that. They run from $300 to $600 on eBay. So yeah, they Kobe's and shit. Didn't even know that until I checked it up in eBay. But yeah, it's humid here. So if you have sneakers and shit, the soles come off if you don't use them. So it's humid here, and then see how the paper starts getting rigid? You see? Let me. Yeah, I need to get a lamp thing and everything. See, it starts. You see how it is on the edges? Because it's so humid here in Puerto Rico that I don't need that. You know, what people use the mist, the humidifier and all that shit to make their books humid. I don't need it. So that's another plus. Okay. I've done stuff already. Like I pressed. Okay, these two right here are my babies. And I have never touched them or nothing. And I'm going to send them to CGC. And I was thinking of pressing them, but I was like, no, I was too scared. So I was like, fuck that, I'm not going to press them. I'm going to leave them like that and send them in. Because they're, like, spectacular. They're not even, like, I mean, really. So, you see the gloss? Ah, amazing. And that's with the plastic. So, it's unbelievable. And these are the first two that I'm going to send in. Which I heard, that, I checked up this special edition. It's up there. It's up there. That's going to help me financially. So, CGC is going to help me even more. Yeah.